Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Remove power and ground yourself to prevent damage. Use a tri-point 00 screwdriver and pry gently. The case clips are fragile, so apply steady, even pressure. Once a seam opens, insert a plastic pick and work around in small increments to free the lid. You do this to avoid cracking the plastic housing and bending connectors. Make sure to keep screws organized and photograph each stage so you can reverse steps later. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Once done opening the case, locate the tiny ribbon cables and disconnect them with a spudger. You want to preserve connectors for reassembly. If the battery is glued, warm the area to 40 to 45 degrees Celsius to soften adhesive. Do not overheat electronics. Then slide thin plastic picks under the battery slowly, lifting from one edge while watching for glued tabs and solder points. Make sure to avoid metal picks near contacts. That prevents short circuits and accidental punctures of lithium cells. You finish by installing the replacement battery. Align the contacts and press gently until adhesive holds or apply new adhesive strips. Reconnect ribbons and reseat each connector. Make sure connectors click and lie flat. Reassemble the housing, tightening screws lightly to avoid stripping threads. If the AirPod case won't power on after reassembly, pull it apart calmly, verify connector seating, and measure battery voltage. This single check solves most issues. If you see swelling or heat, stop and dispose of the cells safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.